How to start a Twitch stream. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to start a Twitch stream. To start, open your internet browser and search for Twitch. Now open the first link that says twitch.tv. Now on the website twitch.tv, I need you to create or sign into a Twitch account that you have already made. Now while waiting for us to load for twitch.tv, all you're gonna do right now is click on the human icon on the upper right, and that is your profile. I'm going to be hovering my mouse over it so that you can see. This one. Now click on it. Once you click on it, you're now going to go to Creator Dashboard. Once you see Creator Dashboard, click on it. Now wait for it to load once again. Over at Creator Dashboard, this is your very own profile. Now you're going to go and click on Stream Manager. You will also need to download the following software, either OBS or Streamlabs, all up to you, to be able to fully stream on twitch.tv. And that's it. Please like, share, and comment, and hope you got some value, and see you in the next video.